All right, y'all. Guess what time it is? I got a very tiny fabric haul. I got a yard and a fat quarter of some fabric that I designed through Spoonflower. Well, I designed it on my iPad and made it into a repeat pattern and then ordered it on Spoonflower. So if you want some of this fabric, I will link my fabric shop in the description box below. But here is the big reveal. Here we go. This right here, oh my God, y'all, the colors in this, I'm loving it. I love Spoonflower because their colors are always so accurate, and the just the design always turns out perfect. I've worked with other fabric manufacturers before, and you know, fabric printers or whatever you want to call them, and I was never totally happy with the design because the colors were always off. But with Spoonflower, I get a perfect fabric every time. And this teal is my all-time favorite color, and y'all know daisies are my favorite flower, so much so that I named my child after them. So yeah, this I got a yard of this, and I plan on making myself a tote bag with it for, you know, to carry to work. So yeah, there's that. And this I got only as a fat quarter, and only because I wanted to make sure I had the sizing and everything right. But this is just enough in this fat quarter to make a tie for my little grandson. But you can see this is the cooties that I made for him because the little girls at school were picking on him, saying he had cooties and he was icky. So I drew him some cooties, and they started out as stickers, and he took them to school and gave everybody cooties. So I thought I would, he's really into neckties. He likes to wear a necktie every day to school. So I'm going to make him a necktie out of this. I'm going to have to go back in the app and resize this just to make this come out a little bit smaller, because I didn't want that to be quite that big. Might have a little trouble with it showing up on the tie because the tie is only going to be about that wide. But anyway, I will size that down so that if you do want to purchase some of this, it will be the right proportions when you get it. But isn't that adorable? He's so excited about it. I showed him before he left to go have a spend the night with a friend, and the fabric came today, and I showed him. I said, look at what I got you, Joshy. I said, I'm going to make you a little necktie with this, and he was so stoked. He loved his little cootie stickers. He said he gave everybody at school cooties. So yeah, so I'm going to do a tutorial on this little necktie, and you can follow along with that. And if you want to make one for yourself or somebody you love and care about, you can order the fabric in my Spoonflower fabric shop. So there you go. And I will be doing a tutorial on the bag idea that I have too. I'm so excited about it. That fabric is so pretty. All right, that's it.